Can you spot the lie? Welcome to Fact or Fake. We've got 18 mind-blowing statements that will challenge everything you know about your human senses. Let's begin. Holding your nose completely eliminates your sense of taste. Fake. Your sense of taste is actually only affected, not eliminated. Taste buds still detect basic tastes. Your inability to taste comes from smell being blocked. The official term for loss of smell is anosmia. It's physically impossible for you to sneeze with your eyes open. Fact. This is a reflex to prevent germs from entering your eyes. The reflex is controlled by the cranial nerves. You have only 5 senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. Fake. Scientists recognize at least 9, including balance in body awareness. Our sense of balance is called equilibrioception. Your sense of smell is weakest in the morning. Fact. Olfactory receptors are less sensitive upon waking. Your smell is generally most acute in the late afternoon. The sensation of spicy food is actually a taste. Fake. Spiciness is a pain sensation detected by touch receptors, not taste buds. Capsaicin is the chemical compound that causes the spicy heat. Humans can see in complete darkness if they wait long enough. Fake. Our eyes can adapt, but we need at least some light for photons to hit our receptors. The visible spectrum of light is only a tiny fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum. The tongue is mapped into specific areas for different tastes: sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Fake. The tongue map is a mistranslation from 1901. All parts of the tongue detect all basic tastes. The 5th basic taste is umami, which means savory. A loud, sudden noise can cause your pupils to temporarily dilate. Fact. This is part of the startle reflex and the fight-or-flight response. Adrenaline release causes this temporary dilation. Your sense of touch is most sensitive in your fingertips. Fact. The fingertips have the highest concentration of touch receptors. This is why we use our fingers for braille reading. Listening to music at a very high volume can temporarily distort your sense of balance. Fact. Intense sound vibrations can affect the fluid in the inner ear, which controls balance. The inner ear is also home to the cochlea, which is spiral-shaped. People who are blind from birth can still see vivid colors in their dreams. Fake. If you've never had a visual reference for color, your brain can't produce it. Their dreams often involve more sound, smell, and touch. Taste perception is linked to your emotional memory more strongly than other senses. Fake. Smell is the sense most closely linked to memory and emotion. Olfactory signals bypass the thalamus, going straight to the limbic system. You lose half of your taste buds by the time you turn 25. Fake. While some sensitivity declines with age, you don't lose half of your taste buds so quickly. Taste buds regenerate approximately every 10 to 14 days. The sound of cracking your knuckles comes from bones hitting each other. Fake. The sound is the collapse of gas bubbles within the synovial fluid of the joint. Doing this is generally considered harmless to joint health. Your eye is the fastest muscle in your body. Fake. The muscles controlling your eyelid are actually the fastest. The external eye muscles are some of the strongest for their size. The minimum number of human senses recognized by scientists is 5. Fake. The minimum commonly recognized by scientists is 9, including additional internal senses. One of these lesser-known senses is thermoception, the sense of temperature. You are more likely to sneeze when a sudden bright light shines in your eyes. Fact. This is a genetic reflex called the photic sneeze reflex, or ACHOOO syndrome. An estimated 18 to 35% of the population has this reflex. Hot coffee tastes less bitter than lukewarm coffee because of its temperature. Fact. High temperatures suppress the bitterness receptors on the tongue, which is why coffee can taste more bitter as it cools down. How many did you get right? Comment your score below, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fact or fake challenges every day.